Hi, everybody. So today is National Learn Chinese Day. So we thought that we would put together an extra little math activity where you get to learn a little bit of Chinese, and it's pretty fun. So I'm going to share my screen with you. And you'll see this on the Google Doc as well with the lesson. So this has each number 1 through 10. So here's one, here's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And you can see it says like 10 underneath. It also says how to say it in Chinese. And I'm linking to a video where someone says it so that you can hear exactly how to pronounce it. I love looking at numbers in other languages. It's so interesting because obviously it doesn't make a ton of sense to me, but then I like to think about how they probably think English looks and how maybe it's really confusing to somebody who grew up in China speaking Chinese and writing numbers in Chinese, and then they see our numbers and they're like, whoa, those look so different than what we're used to. So it's pretty fun and it's nice to think about another perspective. So I suggest that when you do this activity, you keep this page up while you're writing in a notebook so that you don't have to keep coming back to it, and it's hard to memorize all of these, so it would just help you. So the first challenge is to write your age. So I am over 10, so my age isn't on here, but let's say that I was 7 years old. So here's 7. So I'm going to show you down here. If I were to write that I was 7 years old, I would maybe write it like this. It's kind of hard with my mouse, but I'm doing the best I can. If I was using a pencil, it would be a little bit easier. So there's me drawing a 7 for 7 years old. How do I stop doing this? Okay. Oops. Sorry. Clear. Okay. So now if I wanted to write that, now the next activity is to write some simple math equations. This is really meant just to be fun more than it's meant to be like challenging you in math. So it's just some fun math equations. I might want to write 3 plus 5 equals 8. So I'm going to scroll down to where I have 3 plus 5 equals 8. So I would write a 3. And remember, you would be doing this in a notebook paper, or you could also do it with sidewalk chalk, or you could do it with markers, whatever you want. So you could have the numbers in Chinese right in front of you. So 3, and then I'm going to do a plus sign, plus 5, which looks like this. Equals, it's just an equal sign, and then 8 kind of looks like that. Okay, I'm going to stop sharing my screen. So you can do as many different math equations as you want. You can just practice writing all the numbers and have fun with it. As an optional thing, you can write a math equation and not write the answer, and then take a picture of it and send it to a friend or show it to a family member and have them using the key of the Chinese numbers try and solve it. That could be kind of fun. And just experiment and explore. Maybe this leads you to want to see letters written in another language, I mean, numbers written in another language or something else. Really do with it what you want. Okay, have fun.